Scratch just got a new update, so let's check it out. First, we're gonna go to create a new project. Well, this is an old update, the set thumbnail, but now it has a new spot over here. So this is where you're gonna set your thumbnail. And most importantly, this is a feature everyone's been asking for and first appeared in the April Fool's update. So you're gonna go into settings, you're gonna go into theme, you're gonna go to cat blocks. And it doesn't look different now, but if you scroll down, you'll see we have the cat blocks back. So here they are. And yeah, they look just like the April Fool's update. And if you scroll over them, you can see they're blinking. So that's pretty cool. And there's some other stuff hidden in the editor too. So if we go to choose a new sprite, we just scroll down. Let's see if you can catch what's been updated. So one of the updates is right here, Zepto. So as you can see, this is a new sprite, and this was designed by the same guy who made the Scratch Cat sprite. It's got a bunch of different costumes and a cool walking animation. But that's not it. There's another new sprite too. Here it is. It's kind of in the same style as the Zepto sprite. And as you can see in this image, they're really trying to make these two part of the main squad of the Scratch mascots. And this one also has a cool running animation, which can be used in a bunch of games. And this style is a bit different from the old one, so it looks a bit jarring, but I think it's pretty cool. And one thing I've noticed is that they've been rolling out the Scratch membership features to normal users now, which is something they said they would do. So let's look at another feature now. For example, I've pulled up this user who has a Scratch membership, and they have these cat ears on their profile picture, which is pretty cool. Although it doesn't seem to exactly work anymore when it's on their main page. But here's the thing, that used to only be for Scratch members, but now if you go to account settings and you can see show cat ears on your avatar, you can click on yes and then save my changes and you update your account settings. So now I can see these cool cat ears on my profile picture, although they haven't loaded in on my actual profile yet, so that's something they might want to fix. So let's go back to create, because there's something cool that happened recently. So if you go to choose a sprite, there's a bunch of sprites here, and there's a bunch of these old pixelated sprites like this one called Amon. And well, I haven't really seen anyone use these, but they're there, they're pretty old. And if we scroll down, we see this one. This is one of the most iconic pixelated sprites. It's called Champ 99. And it's just this kid who's like dancing. It's pretty cool. They have like a big chain here if you zoom in. And what do you know, Champ 99 is a new Scratch CEO. So this is how they look like. And yeah, that's pretty cool that old Scratch sprite became the new CEO. Like, I would have never expected this. So who knows, maybe Amon or Sam maybe become the next CEO too. Who knows? And if you want to see more info about the Scratch website, then click on my website. I have a bunch of blogs and tutorials. And watch this video about the other Scratch updates.